Hey, back it out west.
Yo, what's up guys? This is Luke over at B-Rogue Built. So today we're going to be taking delivery of another twin turbo build. This one's going to be a Stage 2 Plus. I see the truck coming down the street right now, so here's a little quick edit of us taking delivery. All right, now that the car is here and we've done our checklist to make sure that the car is up to par, let's take a look at this thing. He's got custom carbon all over it. Got a carbon diffuser that we're gonna put on. I mean, these wheels are sick. Yeah, this is sick. We already have started mocking up the turbos and everything. It's gonna be a custom Audi red just like this. Man, this thing's gonna be sick. Already got the windows tinted. We're not sure if he's got PPF yet, so we'll have to check that out. But look at this thing, man. That's a badass looking car. It's gonna be more badass when it's 1400 horsepower though, right? All right, let's go inside and talk to the man of the hour. Here we go. B-Rogue Built, best place on earth. What's up, buddy? All right, well, Brandon's finishing up taking delivery. Let's see what the rest of the shop's doing. Stradman, you guys obviously love to see this car. This is your pride and joy. We'll get some information on that right now. Excuse me, headphones?
What?
What are you doing?
Making a grill for Strad's car.
Why is that? Because you got a center exhaust?
Yep.
Gotcha. Are you the best welder east of the Mississippi?
Yes, sir.
That's you?
Yeah, that's me. Ow. Yeah. Is that on camera? Did I burn myself on camera?
You did. What's next?
I gotta build the standoffs for this grill to sit off the bumper.
How are you gonna do that?
I gotta take measurements of each of these and use this bar, cut it on the correct angle, and then build a flat spot for the end for a bolt to sit in so it can bolt down.
Damn. Got my mind blown. You're amazing.
It's a Sigma 1.4 to, I forgot what it is. Sigma.
Suck my balls.
All right, Luis is putting in the intake manifold on the Turcon. We got Austin over here on Greg's R8. What are you doing?
We're gonna put the front bumper on this thing. Wrapping up this kit pretty soon. Bumper's going on. It looks like a car again.
3 days later.
All right, we're pulling up to B-Rogue Built. Basically right now, on the other side of the building, I can hear the dyno. I don't know what car's on there. I think it's the Decennium. We're gonna go inside because it is loud as shit out here, so we gotta hear it inside. Oh, there we go. I was right. All right, let's get some content for this thing. We're good. Basically, just want to get a kind of answer a question of where's Strad's car going to get the engine pulled and where's it going to be sitting.
Yeah, and some other all the cool stuff in between.
Mm-hmm.
So basically, what's going on is we're wrapping up these 2 cars. This is a previous stage 1 car that is getting updated to our newer stage 2 package. We heard some other cars are coming into town that we want to be able to play with. You know, all of our existing customers want to be able to compete and give them some run for their money. So this car's going to be leaving around 1300-ish. And then this car's a guy, Greg, that we've been posting a lot about. It's basically getting wrapped up, or getting wrapped up for the dyno, and then that's basically what's next up. Got a couple of little wiring things to button up, and then it's going to be dyno ready. After these 2 cars come off the rack, we're going to get Strad's car to the rack, because a lot of you guys don't see a lot of what we don't show, which is like how many parts are included with or involved with these cars when motor and transmissions come out. So we're basically going to make some room real quick, and then we're going to shoot for later this week, early next week, to pull it all apart, which we're going to showcase and emphasize to you guys. So I don't even remember. I don't remember everything else.
No, it's all good. So just the stuff that's going on, like what Austin's making on, it's really hard to see, but Austin's making something there. And it's not going to be an easy process. It takes time. It doesn't just...
Yeah, clearly we're fighting for space because we have so much stuff going on here. So we try not to let you guys see too much of the clusters here, and we try to be as clean and organized as we can. But you know, right now we have a lot going on. So.
Yeah. So this piece right here is... It's something that's going to come out, and right now it's in the beginning stages, and it doesn't look pretty, but it's going to look really good. So that's going to be something you'll see over the next couple weeks, and it's just going to be slowly getting better and better. And the processes we're not just going to make one video releasing like the whole thing, because that'll take 3 months for that thing to finish by the time August or September's around and this car's finished up. So we're just going to release every I don't know, a video every week or 2 and give you guys updates and let you guys see exactly what's going on with it. Over the weekend, Austin and Brandon were really getting started on this grill trim piece. Basically, it's going to be exposed so that we can show that the wastegates and the exhaust and everything. We're going to try and keep it like a black hexagonal look like this. This is obviously beta, like this is beta testing. This is early on. We're getting just started. You can see all the tacks and everything on there. Austin hasn't really finalized anything yet, but it's a process that's not going to take a day or 2. It's going to take maybe a couple weeks. Powder coating, things like that, water jetting, cutting logos in, stuff like that. So this is something that is kind of really low key right now. Not too many people know about it, but now that you're watching this, you all know. So this is the first introduction to it. It's going to be really badass. There's going to be a lot of cool stuff that goes on with the car in the next couple weeks, especially as it gets torn apart. Little things like this will get thrown on. We wanted to make a video on it. We can't do it all in one because it'll take too long. The video on that wouldn't be released for, let's say, a month or 2, and nobody wants to wait that long anymore. We're all on the same page of wanting this car out and wanting it in Strad's hands, and the views, all the viewers, you guys want to see this on the street again. You want to see Strad happy, smiling, having a lot of fun. So definitely like, subscribe, and comment on all of our videos. It's something that we want to engage with you guys with. Strad wants to engage, we want to engage, and it's, you know, it's not just this car. We have all of these amazing builds here with such intricate designs, and I mean, this one's just black, but you know, the paint match, let's see. I mean, look at the quality on this. If I could focus, this is something beautiful. You know, B-Row really works their ass off to get like some of the best looking cars, best looking kits. There's so much that goes into it. Speed, sound, and really just functionality. You want to make sure that everybody's driving safe, having a good time, that this car is going to last, you know. So definitely keep an eye out for this. Just be ready, week by week videos, but definitely keep your eyes out. These cars are going to start running the streets.